In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Netflix gift card. By the end, you'll have your gift balance applied to the right account and be ready to watch without any hiccups. First, go to Netflix. Open your preferred web browser and type netflix.com in the address bar. You can do this on a computer, tablet, or phone. Double check that you're on the official site and that the address bar shows a secure connection. This keeps your account and code safe. Next, sign into your account. Use the same account you want the gift balance to fund, because the code applies to the entire account, not just a single profile. Take a moment to make sure you're signing in with the correct email. If you use multiple accounts, it's worth confirming you're in the right one before you redeem. Once you're in, go to Account. On desktop, this is typically found by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Account from the menu. This page is your dashboard for membership and billing, and it's where you'll apply your gift card. On the Account page, click Redeem Gift Card or Code. The wording may look slightly different depending on your region, but it will clearly mention gift cards or codes. Clicking this takes you to a secure page where you can apply the value to your account. Now enter the gift card PIN or code exactly as it appears on the card or digital receipt. If you have a physical card, gently scratch the foil to reveal the code without damaging the characters. Watch out for common mix-ups like the letter O versus the number 0 and avoid adding extra spaces before or after the code. Click Redeem. Netflix will verify the code and apply the balance. This usually takes just a moment. If there's an error, check that the code is entered correctly and that the card is valid for your country and currency. Small typos are the most common issue, so it's worth a careful recheck. Confirm the balance is added. You should see a confirmation screen showing the amount applied. You can also return to the account page to view your available balance reflected in your membership and billing section. Finally, start or continue your subscription. If you already have an active membership, Netflix will automatically use your gift balance to cover upcoming charges until it runs out. If your membership is paused, simply resume it and the balance will be used first. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your streaming.